Alrighty guys, so today we'll be doing a wax for our underarm at home, and it's so easy and simple to do. Step one, we're gonna pre-wax. Okay, I got my little napkin. You can use cotton rounds to spread this on, but I was saving this for you guys, so never mind about it's long and stuff. I was waiting for it to get long so I can show you guys how to wax your underarms. I know it's not a lot of hair. I mean, it looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. You know what I'm saying? So we just pre-waxed. I'm going to add some oil. Yeah, I'm going to add some oil. So we just want to prep our skin so that the skin doesn't tear. You don't get a bad experience, okay? So I'm putting oil. For me, I'm using Tress Wellness waxing, the complete waxing kit. I put these two on at the beginning, and then I use this after, okay? So I got some powder. I'm going to put some powder under my arms just because it's a little bit oily and you're wondering why did I oil it. It's because I'm prepping my skin so that the skin doesn't tear. Some people are really dry, and that's how it will tear your skin if you don't prep it. Okay. There you go. I know it's different because I'm standing up. Usually people are laying down while I'm waxing them, so everything will fall. Okay, so I have now prepped my skin and it's ready to be waxed. Okay, this is the stick for the body. This is the stick for the face. So like I said, this is for the body. If you use this, you'll be here like forever, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna use this stick, the bigger stick, okay? So I'm just getting the wax on my stick. Try to get a good amount of wax so that you're not like with a little, you know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is cut this kind of like in half. Pressure, go down, and then make up. Okay, pressure is the key. You have to press down, you know, you have to press it down, you know, really good so that it can get all the hairs. Let that dry. It's a little bit like hot in here, so it might take a little minute. Yep. Okay. Okay. So being that I'm waxing myself, I'm just going to put my hand around my neck and then pull it. Ow. Ow. Nah, it's not that bad. But if you can see, there's hair there. Okay, so it took a lot of my hair out. And then we're going to go ahead and do the top part, okay guys? I just thought I'd break it down in halves for you guys. If I'm waxing someone, I just use one whole strip for the whole underarm. Okay, and then this one here, we're gonna go up, okay? This here, so when I'm waxing, usually I'll go this way and then go up, but you can also use this tip and go up, okay? But like I said, we're doing like an angle. We're not doing flat, we're doing angle. Or if I'm doing this way, if I'm doing it this way, we're doing it at an angle. We're not doing flat, okay? Okay, so this part you can use at least three wax strips on that area. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this. Okay, and then there's extra wax on my skin. I'm going to use this shiny part here. Take it off. Okay, that's not working because my arm is getting sore right there, so I'm going to go ahead and put another strip just to take it off. I'm going to have to take a break here because it's like getting so hot in here. Okay, so I can go ahead, go down, and I can use this to grab the stick, the wax, the extra wax on there. Okay. Right now it's kind of a little bit warm in here and my body's hot, so it's getting more sticky. But that's how you wax your underarm. So I'm going to be using my Waxing Lovely Ingrown Potion. That's going to be for my underarms. I'm just going to use that there. I just love this stuff, so that's what I'm using. Okay, so that's what I use for my after wax for my body parts. But this is just as good for you guys. But I use both of them in my treatment that I just did today. Okay, alrighty guys, so I hope you guys are having an awesome day. You guys take care, God bless, and ask me any questions, I shall answer them for you. Mwah.